Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 9 and the viewers. Welcome to the online class. And how are you? I think you all are well by the mercy of Allah. Today I will take a class of English on assignment of 5th week. You have already known today's assignment of 5th week on English. There are two parts of English assignment. First one is the grammatical item, that is changing sentences into passive form, and second part is a formal letter. Today I will discuss on a formal letter. Before starting the formal letter, at first we have to know what is letter. Let us see what is letter. Letter is a means of communication that contains a message which can be handwritten, typed or printed, sent by one person to another via mail or post to inform, complain, report, inquire or request something. Formal letter. Letters are of two kinds, formal letter and informal letter. Informal letter you can write to your relatives, father, mother, siblings and friends. And formal letter you have to write for job application, business purposes, etc. Let us see what is formal letter. Formal letters refer to the letters written in a professional language and follow a prescribed format. These letters avoid unnecessary details and directly address the point for which the letter written. Purposes of formal letter: business, job application, admission or any requirements you can write formal letter. When you will write formal letter, you have to maintain some rules and restrictions. Points to remember when you will write a formal letter. I am writing on the board. You will see, watch carefully what are the points to remember when you write a formal letter. Number 1, avoid the use of unnecessary words. Number 2, language should be simple and polite. Number 3, free from grammatical mistakes. Number 4, formal standard English is used. Number 5, no, sentences must be precise and straight to the point. Number 6, no contraction should be used. Contraction means short form of word. I am giving an example. You don't write in this way, it is not. You should write do not. This is called contraction, and it should not be used in a formal letter. Number 7, no idioms and phrasal verb. Should be used. I am giving you some time to write it down in your paper. I am giving you some time. Please write it down in your copy. I think you have written these points, and there are another point. Number 8, no imperative sentence. Should be used. Number 9, date. You should write the date in this way: 1st December 2020, or you may write December 1st 2020. These are points to remember. Don't write the date in this way. If you write the date in this way, that is 1/12/20, it is not correct. And now I am giving the format of the formal letter. When you will write a formal letter, you have to maintain some format. And what is the format I am showing now? format of a formal letter. At first, you mention the date. I have shown you in this way you can mention the date. Number 2, recipient's name. That means to whom you are writing a formal letter. May the head teacher, or headmaster, or principal. Number 3, recipient's address. In your assignment, you have mentioned a name of a school, that is Sripur Kumaria High School. I am writing this name. Look at this name. All the letters are in capital. First letter of the name, every part is in capital. Number 4, subject. You mention what is the reason of your writing the formal letter, writing the application. Number 5, salutation. You can mention it, sir, madam. If there is headmistress, then you can mention madam. Number 6, main body. That means main contents. This part is divided into 2 parts: main speech and concluding speech. I am writing the number 7. Complimentary clause. Yours faithfully, or yours sincerely, yours truly. You can write in this way. Number 8, designation. That means your name and signature. Here in your assignment, there the mentioned name is Lima or Lemon. If you are a boy, you will write your Lemon, and if you are a girl, you will write Lima. I am writing Lima. Class 9. This is the format of writing a formal letter. Now I am going to the assignment topics. The formal letter which you have to prepare for your assignment, that is, suppose you are Lima or Limon, you are a student of class 9 in Sripur High School, Sripur. In your school you don't have any supply of safe drinking water. Now write an application to your head teacher to arrange safe drinking water for the students. I am showing you the assignment. I think you can look clearly. Is it clear to you? Okay. I am showing the model of this formal letter. How can you write? Can you see it clearly? I am reading this letter. 1st December 2020, the head teacher, Sripur Kumaria High School, Sripur, Gazipur. Subject: application to arrange safe drinking water. Sir, with due respect and humble submission, I would like to state the fact that our school has no source of pure and safe drinking water. We have been suffering from the want of pure drinking water. The quality of water was tested. It was not well. As a result, many of our students are attacked by diseases like diarrhea, dysentery and other waterborne diseases. So, we need pure drinking water. We therefore pray and hope that you would be kind enough to take necessary steps to arrange safe drinking water in our school. Yours obediently, Lima, on behalf of the students of Kumaria High School, class 9. You are writing on behalf of the students of whole school, so, and you are the students of class 9, then I am writing the name of the girl. If you are a boy, you should write Lemon. Don't write the two names. You should write one name. And look at the, I am showing the format, the points, date, the name of the recipients, address, subject, salutation, main body. Main body is divided into two parts. First is main speech and another is concluding speech. And this is your complimentary closing. And your name, that is signature or designation, and class 9. In this way you can write the formal letter, and don't copy this. You will follow the letter, follow the rules. You should write in your own language. Then it will be the good impression and good experience that you can show in your assignment. Don't write this. Don't copy this application. Now, this is your assignment of 5th week, 3rd assignment of English of class 9. And I think you can do this assignment well. And I hope you have done all the assignments finely or quietly. And today there is no more, I have to say. Keep safe at your home and study regularly. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you all.